Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Remy Madison and I am out of breath because today I'm doing a shuffle tutorial. Just so I don't forget, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, show me some love, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Okay, so I'm gonna make this intro nice and sweet and short because I really want to get into it, and I'm out of breath because I've been practicing for like 20 minutes and it's really tiring. So have you ever been to a festival, an EDM festival, and the music starts playing and you don't know what to do with your body? Like, how do you dance? I don't know. So what do you do? That's what I'm going to show you today. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first move that I'm going to show is a basic running man, which you can whip out at any festival at any moment, and it always goes with the beat. It's a little bit tricky, but it's a staple piece that if you don't know what you're doing, you can just start doing that and it's going to go. Sorry about the noise. The first thing you do is you just put your feet together. I want you to lift one leg up and make almost a triangle with your knee. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pop out your back leg and then pop this one in front. One. Then you're going to bring this knee up into the pike position and then bring this knee back to the center. Make sure you're keeping your torso straight. Don't be leaning forward or leaning back. You want to keep yourself nice and centered. Then you're going to do the same thing. Pop back up. Oh, sorry, I can't balance. Pop back up. And then you're going to do the same thing. Pop out. Pop back up. Pop out. Pop back up, and then you'll try it a little bit faster. And then when you get the hang of it, you can just start going into it. Okay, so this second move is a bit easier. It's one of my favorites. I always love to do it. It's a shuffle side step. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna stand, feet shoulder width apart, regular position, and you're gonna practice pivoting on one leg. So I usually pick my dominant leg, which is my right leg, and I just pivot, keeping this other foot hovering almost. Just practice pivoting side to side. So in order to pivot, you have to focus on your feet. So you might want to have your foot in this position, almost like it's turned out in a ballet stance to start. And then you twist your heel out. So if we're starting with our right leg, we're going to twist our heel out. That's how you pivot. And then you twist it back. This will be pivoting. So when you're going, you're pivoting like this. Once you get the pivoting motion, then what you can do is add the side tap. So you're just going to be tapping your foot like this, up and down as you go. So while you're pivoting, you're doing that at the same time. And this is the side step. And then you can switch legs. And then you can get funky with it. So this next move is also a staple. I don't know what it's called. I just call it the crisscross, ballet saw, something like that. You start in this almost ballet position. Then you're going to pop your heels out. Oh my God, I can't hold it. While you're popping your heels out, this leg is going to swing around and go back into this ballet position where your both feet are turned out. Now you're going to do the same thing. Pop your heels out, bring your feet back in front, and then you're twisted into this nice ballet position. And then you're going to do the same thing. Pop your heels out, swing the next leg around, and as it's coming down, you twist the back foot and then you twist this foot so they're both going out. What you're not doing is twisting out, bringing in front, then doing this, because that looks weird. So you have to be able to twist your foot while the other foot is swinging around. So it'll look a bit like this. Then you go back with it, then go doubles. So that's basically what it looks like. So basically what you're going to do is you turn your heels out, and then you bring one foot forward, and they go back into ballet position, except your toes are not side by side, instead one in front of the other. Then you're going to pop your heels out, then swing the other foot around, bring it down, back into this sort of ballet position. I moved my camera a bunch of times and it's like crooked right now, but I'm just gonna deal with it. So to finish off our little shuffle routine, we're going to do a spin. So you can do a heel spin, or you can do a stepping spin if you're more comfortable. So a heel spin's pretty basic. So you just be grooving, you know, doing your thing, and then you just bring your heels together and spin on them. So it's almost like, you know, when you slide, whoosh, pretty straightforward. So you're gonna be putting all your weight on your heels, bring your feet together and just spin. Woo! I hope you can see my feet now. Heels together, spin. that's all I have for today. I hope you guys can take some of the steps that I shared with you and use them the next time you go to a rave or a festival. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite move was. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!